Good morning. Good morning. Sunshine, good morning. Yeah, so Monday, fun day. It's the Monday. And it's the fun day. So the trader, yeah. And this is where we left off, yeah. Okay, you have this shit. Okay, we need some other thingies. On Islam. Damn. Fucking hate UI. Whatever. It needs to be done. Like, what's a game without user interface? It's nothing. Button. Let's add some buttons. Actually, overlay main. Yeah. Let's put it here. Yeah, I can't really like position it wherever I want. Yeah, it has to be on the canvas. Yeah, then I can place it like right here. Text. Okay, so we just implement the functionality and then we like just fuck off. Then we fuck off, like, yeah. Bye. Okay, so these items need to be selected. Let's actually add a bit more of the stock, a bit more of the, yeah, like a sword. Let's add a sword. And let's left arm and a right arm. Yeah, right arm, cybernetic arm. Yeah, does it have the mesh? Yeah, it has a mesh, doesn't have an icon. Yeah, so all of these won't have prices. Yeah, we had like organic left arm. Yeah, okay, so yeah, the price is 0. That's why it looks like that. Yeah, but the mesh is like display. Yeah, so that's fine. Actually, yeah, right now the sword is like, yeah, the sword is placed like wrongly placed. It's wrongly placed. Is that the word? Yeah, okay, so the sword, yeah, now it's like it's clipping. You can't see the top of the sword, so we need a separate mesh, I think. Yeah, I think we need a separate mesh with the origin at the center. Actually, Unreal Engine has right now, in this day and age, modeling, like, yeah, a modeling mode. And in the modeling mode, we can actually move the transform. The transform. We can move the transform. Edit pivot. Yeah, what the fuck. Okay, yeah, let's try. We have nothing to lose. Chat. From dust to dust. We're just dust. It's like, it's whatever. Okay, so yeah, it applied. What the heck? So right now, yeah, I think it like fucked up the... Let's equip the sword. Yeah, it fucked up the pivot real good. Yeah. Yeah, damn. Yeah. Let's change the pivot back. Apply. I want to duplicate the mesh and yeah, duplicate. We have duplicate single meshes, create new objects. Duplicate. Okay, yeah. Oh. Pivot. Edited. Pivot edited. Yo. Chat. Yo. Okay, so we have the pivot edited and you have the original. Yes, we do. Okay, so we edit this thingy. Accept. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I didn't even need to go into Blender. Oh my god. It's amazing. Where are the data assets? Is it? No, that's the wrong data. This is the right data. Okay, so weapons, sword junk. Yeah, let's change. If we change like the mesh, like yeah, I think like it equips the sword from the same data asset. Yeah, world mesh. Yeah, let's apply. Yeah, now it's equipping it correctly at the handle. Yeah, so conclusion. What conclusion can we make? Shit is fucked. This shit is fucked up, actually. Yeah. Conclusion is that it's fucked. We need a separate thingy. World mesh. Well, I could actually add like a equip mesh, like damn. No, this is bad. This is bad, chat. It's bloating. It's bloating. We're experiencing bloat. If I add like extra variables, that's not perfect. That's not perfect. But we don't live in a perfect world. In a perfect world, men like me wouldn't exist. In a perfect world. You know the reference? It's the potion guy. Okay. So do we add the mesh? Or do we add a offset that this guy uses? Whatever, actually let's just check if like the yeah, that's not great. Anyways, okay, so we have the world mesh and it equips from that. So display mesh, we could name it like display mesh. actually. Actually, when I was in the shower today, I thought about like adding a blueprint component for the trading. Yeah, that could be like a solution. Whatever, let's bloat it up. Yeah, okay, so the equip BPC equipment, where does it like, yeah, where does the equipment set static mesh? Yeah, so this unequips. Set mesh is hidden. Yeah, so this hides the melee weapon. And yeah, it gets the world mesh. Actually, yeah, I'm thinking like, let's try offset, yeah. Let's add a vector, yeah, and the vector will be mesh capture offset. Yeah, mesh capture offset. Yeah. Yeah, now this thingy. Yeah, it's non-destructive this way, yeah. Okay, so mesh to texture. Damn, it's like not. Oh my god. Offset, yeah. Okay, so we are actually changing the mesh from the trade panel. Yeah, item reference. From the row, yeah, we got, yeah. Inventory stock, yeah. Trade panel row. Let's think. Okay, we have fought. Yeah, trade panel. Okay, yeah. Add panel. Yeah. This doesn't do shit. Actually. Trade panel price item reference. Yeah. Populate items. Yeah, this is populating the items. Yeah. Static mesh. Yeah. Let's actually, yeah, whatever. Let's grab the static mesh and let's set local. Add local offset. No. Set relative location, yeah. Get the offset, plug in the offset, yeah. Okay, so mesh to texture gets referenced in the row, I think, yeah, row. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yes. This is it, chat. Offset. Yeah, we got the offset. And we have the reference. And we set offset. We set the offset. Yes. Oh, yes. Now we have the sword junk. And let's actually, yeah, you know what, this is primitive, this is crude, this is frankly R-worded, but yeah, add 50. We just, yeah, so the offset is -50, let's say. Okay, so we didn't change anything, this isn't destructive, and offset, oh yeah, it sets the, it sets the location. It sets the... Only fire, fuck it up. Okay, so yeah, offset is 100, yeah. And yes, actually. Split. Whatever, let's just do it like that. Yeah, so now it's moved forward on the x-axis. Yeah, now it's not clipping, and the sword is still fucked up. Why is that? Yeah, let's... set static. Okay, on enter. -50. Okay, so it's like at the rivet. Yeah, we set the offset. Let's, yeah, just to debug. Yeah, okay. I see the problem. It's at begin play, yeah. I need to have an event actually. Custom event. This will be called set offset. Yeah, so we set the offset, then we set the offset again. We trigger. We actually don't need this thing. We can just pass in the... We can just pass an input. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Let's check. Yeah, okay, works. It works, it works. The sword isn't clipping. Yeah. Damn, I should have made it into a transform, because I also need to adjust the scale, because the cigarettes look like the cigarettes are so tiny, 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 so tiny cigarettes. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck is heck? Transform. Set scale. Relative scale. Scale. Break yourself. Oh, break yourself. Oh, hell act. My guys are back. Okay, yeah. Target offset. Yeah. Yes. So change this to transform. Yeah, let's capture offset. Yes. This is good. This is good, actually. Yeah. So we just, there's minimal bloat. Like we add a transform. You get the headbutt. Just for. Damn, why do you keep ruining my microphone, chat? So rude of you. So, actually, we add a transform, and that's lightweight. It's lightweight, baby. Lightweight. Ain't nothing but a peanut. Lightweight. Yeah. Fuck yeah, actually. Fuck yeah. Okay, so the sword scale is good. Yeah, location. We need to adjust the location now. And cigarettes. Where are the cigarettes? Yeah, and the scale, let's just try free. Scaled by 3. Let's see if that works. Ooh, cigarettes are huge. Yeah. This is big, chat. This is big. This is huge. It's huge, chat. Yes. That's good. I like it. Yeah, so the assault rifle is also like spinning from the handle. Yeah. Whatever. It's fine, I guess. Like, damn, it's actually not ideal. Like, when the sword spins, like, the axis is, the pivot is at the bottom, and it's like spinning this way. So when you increase the distance, it's like still spinning around its like center of mass. But if it's spinning, like if this is the axis and it's spinning like this, like, you know, it's spinning like this. And if I add a transform, I'm just pushing it to the front, but it will be spinning like this, you know. So it's like at the center, but if it's spinning on the yaw axis, it will be spinning like this. Yeah, and that's not good. It should be like spinning at the center, around the center of the camera capture. So that's a problem. That's a problem for the AK, for this AK thingy. But it's a tiny problem. So we don't have problems right now. Zero problems. We just implement the buying, and yeah. Once we implement the buying, once you can buy shit, then the next task for us, for me, is to just clean up the game and clean everything up, and yeah, and then we can and then we can we can ship the game. We can ship the game. Yes. Can ship the game. Okay, yeah, whatever. We need right now, what we need is to select. Yeah. Okay, so this is like the, yeah. Offset row. This is the row. We need another border. Yeah, wrap a border with a border. Damn, that's crazy actually, chat. This is actually crazy. This is getting crazy, chat. I'm scared. It's crazy. Cool. It's cool. Tint green. Yeah, okay, yeah, sure. Whatever. Okay, yeah, so everything is selected. Ooh. No, actually, it should be reversed, probably. Like right now, the the hovering border is inside, and the selected move your body, rock your body. Damn, I don't know the lyrics. So cringe. Oh my god, so embarrassing. All right. Okay, chat. Okay, let's fucking go. Okay, and I was like looking if my window is closed. Think of the neighbors, think of the children hearing me scream, let's fucking go. Yeah. Anyways, what's the plan, chat? Why am I making this game? To get fucking money. Fuck money. I need some fucking money. Get money. Move to Dubai. fuck females, have 1,000 children, spread my seed. Yeah, that's the life plan. That's the plan, that's the plan. Yes. Yeah, we ship the game, we make $1 quadrillion, and then we just spread our seed. Just spread the seed. Yeah. Yeah, that's the plan, that's the plan. Yeah. Good plan. Not having a plan is planning to fail, chat. Yeah. What the fuck? Actually, if you don't have a plan, social media will like give you a plan what you need to do, like, you know. Okay, so the border, yeah, brush color. On mouse click, yeah, so we need 2 events, like, yeah. Yeah. So the boolean is selected. Okay, so yeah, we even have the item reference. Yeah, this is great, chat. This is great. This is looking good for us. This is looking great. So, okay, at the default, yeah, nothing is selected at the start. What border selected. Let's name this border hovered border and selected border. Can let it in. No one else can feel the rain on your skin. Hello, what's up, Lamin? What's up? Konnichiwa. Ni hao. Здоровые, пацаны, здоровые. Как дела? Reaching something in the distance. In the window. In the distance. Okay, so in the mesh, yeah, trade panel. Be sure the rain on your skin, and else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. Branch. Okay, so branch. Branch. If and only if. Yo, damn, that's some interesting alphabet you have. Damn, that's cool. That's a beautiful alphabet. That's beautiful. It's beautiful, Lemon. Damn, it looks like alien language. You know, looks something from another planet. It's Burmese. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool is what it is. Okay, so yeah. If the index is 0, so if the first thing, yeah, so you populate, and if it's the first things first, I'm the realist, then we select. B is selected, set is selected to true, else, yeah, just, yeah, is selected. Okay, so damn, I actually need a event probably. Okay, damn. Okay, so the row, yeah, row. On value changed, like, damn, I wish there was an event. I wish there was an event. Dispatchers. Dispatcher, okay, dispatcher. On, no. No, we don't use dispatchers, actually. Okay, so on mouse click, on mouse button down, I think is the you're in the matrix again. Yeah, they got me. They got me. Agent Smith got me while I was sleeping. Like I got caught. They put me in the matrix again. Yeah. Mouse event, like, yeah. Event reply handled. Let's just say it's handled. Why not? Okay, so on mouse button down, we set selected yes to true. And let's make a custom event, like a custom event. Set selected. Yeah, whatever. Border selected. If it's set selected, we need a set unselected also. How's your day going? It's good, it's good. Just woke up like an hour ago, so it's still early. It's too early to tell how my day is going. What about you? It's like it's afternoon, or is it like noon where you're at? You were probably up for a long time. Is your day like underway? Is it underway? Set selected. Yeah, brush color. Yeah. So from the trade panel, yeah, so this sets, yeah, set selected also. Or actually, it's 12:15, damn, for me. Got plans for today, or like just chilling, just being chilling? Okay, everything is selected. That's not right. That's not right. Damn, I have a lot of things opened. Like I don't need so many things open. Okay, so the selected thingy tint is alpha 0. Yeah, so it's invisible at default. We press and nothing happens. Yeah, that's good. That's not good. I mean, that's not good. It's bad. It's bad. Set selected. Brush color. Damn. I mean, what the? Am I actually? I'm using brush color. Yeah. So the brush color is 0. And right now, yeah, the first one is selected. It's selected. I'm doing Duolingo. I need to improve my chess. Oh yeah, I saw that like Duolingo has chess right now. It's kind of cool, actually. Okay, so the first item is selected. Then on mouse button down, and yeah, we set is selected, and we just set selected. And let's see. Okay, now, yeah, now it's selecting everything. Yeah. Okay, so when I select a thing, I need to unselect everything else. Everything else needs to go. Everything else needs to go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And yeah. Yeah, basically. That's how that goes. Basically. Okay, yeah. Set selected. Yeah. Damn, I hate UI. I hate UI. I hate user interface. Okay. Set selected. We need an event. Set custom event. Set unselected. Unselected. Let's unselect. And the unselect is alpha 0. And actually, we do a little bit, yeah, a little bit of simplification actually. Yeah. Yes, from the trade panel. Yeah. Set selected. Ooh, set selected. Well, yeah. Whatever. Yeah, that's good. Now we need to, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so populate items. Actually, I could unselect everything on the populate items thingy, because if I buy a thing from the trader, the list will change and I will need to populate it again. Yeah. Like quite literally, I will need to populate the list again. Yeah. Anyways, I'm at day 46 streak on Duolingo. Damn, that's cool. Congrats. That's a good streak. Good streak. Do you play ranked chess, or like, are you still learning? Yeah, okay, so we set the first to selected. No. Let's think about this, chat. I'm still learning. Okay. Yeah. So. Okay, do we have the list? Yeah, we have the parent. Yeah. We do have the parent. And in the parent, we have the grandparent, as one would say. Yeah, let's make a function. Unselect all items, all items. Let's make it more explicit, more self-explanatory. Unselect all items. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, so just unselect. No. Set unselected. Set what you call it? What? Treat. Oh, row. Damn. Okay, so yeah, we need an array actually. Yeah. Array of these things. Like yeah, let's just promote to a variable. This will be row item rows. Item rows. This is an array. Change variable type. Yes. Add. Yeah, actually, let's get add. Yeah, we added. And we also need to, before we populate, if it's already populated, we clear the array. We always clear first, then we populate, then we add. Oh my god. Gotta use the toilet. Oh my god, even my eyes are watering how much I want to use the toilet. I mean, I have free will. Let's use our free will and go to the toilet, okay, chat? Yeah, like, why am I suffering needlessly? Okay, be right back. Hello. Hello. Drawn conclusions. Problem, I call it a solution. And illusions. I call it a solution. Okay. 12 in the morning. Unselect. Set unselected. Give a fuck. Motherfucking dope. And this can hit your motherfucking dope. Give a fuck. Motherfucking dope. Hit your motherfucking dope. Okay, so when we select, yeah. When do we select? Chicken like me, up in this Maserati. Parent, get parent, unselect all items. Yeah. Give a fuck, motherfucking dope. And then stick it, hit your motherfucking dope. Give a fuck. Yo, chat. Yo. It works. Yes. Okay. I see you. Okay, it's working, chat. Maybe no money. Skr. Crazy boom. Okay, so selected. Selected. The preview mesh should be like not on the hover. Yeah. Mouse enter. Yeah. Actually, yeah. What if? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. This is better. Like when we select, then we see what's selected, and on the hover. Yeah. It's good. Shit. Holy shit. Okay, it's good. I love it. I like it. Damn. It's good. It's good. Yes. Okay, so what is this? What is this, chat? What is this? Access none in parent. Set static mesh. What is this? Oh. Okay, so selected. When the thing is selected. Okay, so yeah, that's probably at the start. At the start. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I see you. I see what's happening. It's selecting and and it's getting the item reference, and it is setting item reference after selecting. So yeah. Actually, quite literally, if we're being literal, chat, if we're being actual, what the fuck? What the frick? What the frick? I mean, what the frick? Yeah, we can just place it at the end, and yeah. Damn, look how messy this is. Like, oh, so many wires. Like, ooh, that's not good. That's not good. Yeah, bro. The C++ Unreal Engine people are like, oh, wires? Are you like autistic? No, you're the autistic one. If you're like using C++ in Unreal Engine. T. Okay, ha. You think that's funny? You think that's funny? Huh? Think that's funny? Think I'm funny? Funny like a clown? Yeah, okay, yeah. Selection works. Everything is good. We are one step closer. This is a small step for man. A giant step for moving to Dubai and impregnating 1,000 women's and spreading my seed. Damn. Frick! Like, why did social media ruin everything? Like, what the heck? Like, damn. I have no choice. Like, I wanna be a good person. Like a family man, a family guy, but like, what the fuck? Like, social media ruined the opposite sex, like, you know, yeah. Okay, we select, and then we buy. Why can't we buy? Let me buy. $10 buy. I buy for $10. Okay, so okay. Button. Of course, the button for buying is green. Yeah. Green means buy. Going from the earth. Rolling up earth. Unclicked. Yeah, when we click the button, we actually, quite literally, yeah. Okay, so yeah, unclicked. Let's make a purchase item. Yeah, make the item letter capital letter. Purchase item. Like, yeah. Brum, 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 brum. Yes, 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 yes. Purchase the item, and yeah, for each loop, and we get is selected, and branch, and if it's selected, we get, let's just get the name. Let's get the name. No, actually, yeah, get text. Let's, I mean, it's the same thing, like, actually get item. Yeah, we could get the item reference, but that's a little more like heavy, probably. We just get the name and it's already like selected with the text. This is like, we won't need the text, we will actually need the, yeah, we will actually need the item reference then. Yeah, actually we do need the item reference. Anyways, so we get name, get display name. Yeah, sure. It's fine. And just to debug, just so it's debugging. Yeah, okay, so the cigarettes are selected. What happens when we buy cigarettes? Yeah, it's good. Now we select the sword, we buy, and the sword, okay, yeah. So whatever is selected when we buy, we get the display name of the thing that we buy. Okay, sure. Great. This is amazing, chat. This is amazing. One step closer to Dubai. One step closer to 1,000 children. That will... Yeah. 1,000 children. That's what I need. But I also need cash money to pay all of the... Whoa. What's happening? Damn, hackers hacked my computer. Crazy. It's a crazy world we live in. Okay, so... Yeah, trade, and yeah. Remove. Yeah, okay, so we populate the items from the inventory stock, yeah. So when we purchase a thing, where do we purchase? Yeah. Oh, okay, it's at the same, yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect, chat. This is perfection actually. Yeah, I think these should, like, the array should match perfectly with the inventory stock. So let's just get a copy of the thingy. Let's see if it matches actually. Get item ref. No, like this. Yes. Let's see if that matches. Yeah, right arm, left arm, sword, yes. Cigarettes, yeah, sure. Okay, so they match. And if they match, we remove item. Remove all instances of item. Remove items. Yeah, remove index. Let's remove index actually, yeah. Yeah, so we purchase and we remove index, and after that we populate items again, probably, yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Moment of truth. We buy the sword. What the heck? That's not good. That's not good. Let's see. Okay, so chat, populate items. We clear items, clear. Add rows. Add. Yeah, we clear. Yeah, the problem. I see the problem. We clear the array, but we don't delete the thingies. Yeah, so we first. Yeah. Remove from parent. Yeah, so we remove everything from the parent. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. We buy the sword. Oh, sword is removed. Sword is bought. We buy a arm. Arm gone. Cigarettes gone. Assault rifle gone. Organic arm gone. Well, that's a problem. This is a problem. This is an edge case. The edge case is that the item is like still spinning even if the inventory is empty. So the edge case. This is good. This is good that we caught it early. We caught the bug early. Then we squish the bug. We squish it. We destroy, we annihilate, we conquer. We move to Dubai and impregnate 1,000 women. Women's. Yeah. Why Dubai? Well, I don't know. Seems like the place to be. Okay, so yeah. Yeah. No. I won't do that. I won't move to Dubai. It's way too fucked up. Damn. I'm only joking, chat. Okay, so where do we set the rotating mesh instance? Yeah. Populate items. Yeah, when we populate items. Yeah, static mesh. Selected. What if, like, damn. This could be a super simple solution. Let's cross our fingers and hope to die. Cross my heart and hope to die. Or what's the thingy that they say? Bye. No, that didn't work. Yeah, okay, so if we buy, purchase item. Yeah, we get the, remove index. Yeah, first we unselect. Yeah, so it's selected. We unselect. Set unselected. Let's see what that does. Okay, bye. Oh my god. Oh my god, it works. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. It's a work of art. Okay, so have okay. So this is the inventory. It's like still like the wrong thingy, the bad thingy. It's the bad thingy, bad thing. It's a bad thing, and yeah. Okay, so. Ciao, Bella, ciao, Bella, ciao, ciao, ciao. Okay, so. Bella, ciao, Bella, ciao, Bella, ciao, ciao, ciao. Inventory. Okay, so when we purchase an item, get player pawn, cast to player BP, player character, yes, this one. We get component, get what shall I call it? Inventory, get BPC inventory, add item. Try add item. Let's try to add an item. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's an item instance. Okay, so yeah. What? Okay. So chat. So we have the item reference. Yeah, let's plug it in. Set unselected. Yeah. Try add an item. Oh, Bella, ciao, Bella, ciao, Bella, ciao, ciao, ciao. Make GUID. Make GUID. What's the G? Well, it's unique ID. GUID. What's the G for? General unique ID. Generalized. Okay, moment of truth. Inventory empty. Inventory is empty. We buy cigarettes. We bought cigarettes. Oh, okay. Damn. I can't close the... Oh my god. Okay. Actually, can I open the inventory? Oh, yeah, I can. Buy. Oh my god. I bought cigarettes. The cigarettes are in my inventory. I bought an assault rifle and cigarettes. Yeah. Let's buy a sword. Okay, let's buy a right arm. We bought a right arm. We actually bought a right arm. Chat. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so the list is empty. What happens if we press buy? Okay, I'm expecting to see a lot of errors. 0 errors. Oh my god. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god. Chat. We did it, chat. We did it. The trader is done. Well, it's not even close to being done, but like, yeah. The functionality is there. We buy. It's added to inventory. We buy, it's added. Yeah. We can buy things. Yes. Amazing. Yeah. Good. Progress was made, actually. Okay, let's try something else. So when we buy, yeah. Afghanistan. Черный тулпан. Get BPC Organs, yeah, organs. The organs contain the blood. Let's remove blood, or let's remove some blood. Yeah, so when you buy, it comes at a cost, and the cost is price. Blood price, blood price. Yes, we remove the blood. Yeah, try add item. Yeah, let's actually branch that. Yeah, branch. Yeah, yeah. So if it adds an item, yeah, it's all good. It's all good in the hood. Yeah. And now we have like, yeah, let's check the UI. We have 3,000 blood. Yeah, let's buy cigarettes. Drain some blood. Yeah, I can see through the UI like that it drained the blood actually. Yeah, we need to add a way to disable this UI. Yeah. Actually. Actually, the tea is like going through me. So you know what time it is. Hello. Hello. Okay, so chat. That's your real name. Won't back down. Me up at the gates of hell, but I won't back down. I'm on ground around. Okay, trade panel. We need to destroy, we need to annihilate the thingy. Okay, so controller. Does like, yeah, let's actually use tab. Where is the tab? Okay, let's see if like the tab works when. Yeah, the tab still works, so we can, yeah. I'm using tab because if I use escape, like in the final game it will be like you press escape and what the heck, oh my god. You press escape and it closes the inventory. But right now, when I'm developing the game, when I press escape, it like goes back to the edit scene view, not in the play mode, like jumps out of the play mode. So I can't use escape, so I'm using tab. Okay, so we use tab. We use the tab from the controller. And yeah, so the trade panel is created either from the blood, like actually let's check, like if I trade from this guy. Okay, we trade, yeah, it's like, damn. Okay, so first of all, the background is darker, so the conclusion that I would make, I think like this spawns the UI 2 times for some silly reason. Yeah, this is lighter, so this like spawns correctly. Okay, yeah, I'll need to like fix the flames. Look so cool. Damn, looks so cool. This game looks so cool, actually. Like if I was browsing Steam and I saw a game that looked like this, I would be like, yo, what is this game? Why haven't I heard of it? Like, and then I would buy it. And then I would play it and I would enjoy it because it's a good game. It's a masterpiece. It's a masterpiece. We don't make games, we make masterpieces, don't we, chat? Yes, we do. Why are my flip-flops untextured, actually? Sandals. Yeah. Oh, because I exported them again. Yeah, there we go. Texture, beautiful sandals. Masterpiece, like I said. Yeah, sandals are textured. Great. So tab, so let's just go into the blood register. Okay, so I need a reference to the trade panel widget, to this widget. And when I have the reference, I can just press tab. Yeah, so the reference should be accessible from the player and yeah, the player character. Do I just add like, yeah. So the blood register has, yeah, we can easily like just get player pawn. And we just cast to... damn. Well, yeah. It's like, yeah, we can cast to the player character because, like, you know, the problem with casting is like that from whichever place you cast that item, when it loads, it has to load whatever it's casting to, but the player will always be loaded. Like, there's no game without the player, so like it's already in memory, so we can cast to the player. But from the player, we should use interfaces because we don't want to like load the blood register just when we spawn the players, because yeah, that's bloat, that's inefficient, that's horrible, terrible, bad. That's bad. Yeah, character. BP player character. Yeah. Okay. Yes, we have the character. Yes. Yeah, we have the HUD widget. Yeah, actually, let's store widgets on the player because yeah. Trade widget. Trade panel, yes. Okay, so when we spawn, when we create this thingy, set trade widget to the trade widget. Yes, amazing. That was amazing. Actually, yeah. We need to cast. Yeah, let's not worry about casting failed. It will always succeed. We always win, chat. We always win. We are winners. We are winners. We always win. We always win. Even when we lose, we win. In some way, somehow. Yes. So when we press tab, and we get trade. Especially when we lose, we win. Because then we grow. Into a beautiful butterfly. And when we are a butterfly, we get the trade widget and we remove from parent. Yeah, no, first, like, is valid. Yeah, if it's valid, remove from parent. Yeah. And I think, yeah. Yeah, I think when we remove from parent. Okay, yeah, so, okay, everything works. We need to, since we're in the player controller, this will actually be easy. We need to return the control to the player. And to do that, we just, yeah. We should actually, yeah, let's make a function. Enable input. Just because this is like, yeah, just to make it more concise, more compact. And yeah. Then we, yeah, enable input instead of all of this. Just enable input, yeah. And we do the same for disable input. Yeah. Yes, this is how we disable input. And we replace all of this with a simple thing. The simple tiny thing. Okay, so tab is pressed, we enable input. Yeah, that's very simple, very beautiful, very elegant. Yes. We buy cigarettes. We disable. Actually, damn. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so when. Okay, so actually, we had a problem, a tiny problem. Okay, so I buy, and now when I buy, I'm pressing tab, and it's not working because yeah, it's consuming the input. The widget is like marked as the target for the input. Why is it dark? What the frick? What the frick? Trade. Oh, okay, okay, I see. See how it goes dark? How it go dark? Trade. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, when we trade, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's actually promote to a variable. Sure, let's call it the trade widget. Okay, yeah. Let's check. Yeah, let's spawn the widget if it's invalid. Yeah, but is valid. Then 99% of bugs is just checking if a thing is valid or not. Okay, so we press F. Oh, okay, yeah. If it's, yeah, we need the opposite. If it's not valid, like if there's nothing, then we spawn. Yeah. Okay, we spawn and we try to spawn again, and now it doesn't work. Yes, that's how it should be. And press tab. Yeah. Okay, so yeah. We try to press again and it's checking if it's valid, and it is valid. So yeah, the remove from parent doesn't actually remove the trade widget itself. Yeah. That's not good. That's not good. Can we check if it has a parent actually? Get parent, yeah, let's check. Get parent, if the parent isn't valid, yeah. Okay, so if the parent is valid, like, yeah, now it should be like this, probably. Trade. Nope. Access none. Okay, so it has no parent. Whatever, sure. Let's try. Okay, it works, but that's broken. Okay, so yeah. Actually, let's cache the player ref. Oh, we already have the player character. Yeah. Okay, we cache and we just get the thingy, and we just set trade widget to be blank. Yeah, remove from parent. Yeah, Yeah, like that. That's good. Get trade widget. Then we check is valid. Okay, so if it's not valid, yeah, this should work. Okay, press F, works. Press F again, doesn't work. Press tab. Yeah, press tab. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yep, and it works again. Yep. Great. Okay, so that problem is fixed for the duplicating widget. Problem solved. We have the other problem is that, yeah, when I press buy, it consumes the input, and I can't for the life of me press tab and close the thingy. I have to, like, yeah, select this empty space, or like, what if I select an organic right arm? Yeah, so only the button consumes the widget, the input, the input. Yeah, let's put it in the middle. No, I like it on the side. Okay, so spike, let's just, yeah, let's dock the spike. It's like, yeah, trade, pay with your blood, you pay with your blood. Okay, so the animation also, like, needs to be triggered by the trading. Yeah, so probably when I press trade, the spike snaps to the hand. Okay, so I need to limit the movement of the player character around the... Or maybe not even limit, like... Yeah, I mean, if I press trade, the animation starts playing, yeah, and then the input will be disabled when the UI opens up. So yeah, basically. Okay, so damn, actually, damn. Let's not use our brain cells. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, so an Unreal Engine. When I press a button in a widget, I cannot get a signal from tab input from the player controller. Why is the button preventing that tab input? Okay. No. What does ChatGPT say? ChatGPT, like, I was like getting ready for sleep, like dozing off, meditating, and I got a check for 21 euros for paying for the premium. So I'm paying for the premium. Let's get our money's worth. Yeah, that's usually focus input routing. I'm not sure, tab binding being broken. When you click UMG, it often takes keyboard focus after that. You click the button, tab is being consumed by UI navigation focus logic. Yeah, never sees that input. Make the button non-focusable. Let's try making the button non-focusable. Is focusable, is not focusable. Yeah, okay, I see why these don't actually... Yeah, these are not buttons, so that's why they don't consume. Okay, let's buy a right arm, bot, and press tab. Okay, yeah, works, great. Amazing, amazing. Got our 21 euros worth of value for this month. We saved our brain cells from work. And yeah. You know what would be funny, chat? Like, if you go up to the trader, like, you plug in the spike. And then you buy something expensive and then you just fucking die. Then you just die. Because you bought something expensive. And you didn't have enough blood. That would be funny. I think that would be really funny, actually. So funny. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. It is funny. It is funny, chat. It is funny. Who are you to say what's funny or not? Hmm? Who are you? Who are you, chat? Okay, okay, so the register. Should I enable trading? Yeah, actually, let's think about this. Like, I wanted to add trading with other players, but if you pay with your blood, like, then you have to trade blood. You have to, like, give your blood to the guy you're trading with. But only the cash register has the spike, so maybe just keep the trade the cash registers, not trade with the NPCs directly. Yeah, that would be more simple. Way more simple. Way more coherent. You know what coherence is, chat? You know what coherence is? Coherence is everything, actually. It is, let's just say, spiritual alignment. When everything is coherent, it is aligned. Yeah, cool game, cool game. This is a cool game. Actually, oh, I haven't jumped on the boxes for a long time. Yeah, let's jump on the boxes. Yeah, I got rusty. I just missed a box. Like, yeah, I fell off a box. Fell off hard. Fell off hard. Yeah. Dope Loop Games fell off hard. Yeah. Damn, fell off. Damn, I fell off. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, so punch the mosquito. Yeah, die, mosquito, die, blood mosquito. Die, cultist, die, Crimson Baron, die. Knocked out. World Star, knocked the frick out. World Star. Yeah, nobody gets the reference. World Star. Yeah, knocked all of these guys out. World Star. Yeah, it's good. Damn, I like this game. The cables are lining to the mesh, to the landscape. Like, yeah, we have the trader going. We have the turrets following the player. Yeah, life is good. What more can I ask for? A lot. I can ask for a lot. And I will ask for a lot. And I will have a lot. I will have everything. I will have a quadrillion dollars, first of all. I need a quadrillion dollars. No, actually not a quadrillion. A septillion dollars. And yeah. And then I can retire. And then I can, like, live on a mountain. and suffer oxygen deprivation and increase the size of my red blood cells because they need to work overtime providing oxygen to my body. Yeah, you see, like the trees are breathing. The trees have lungs that breathe. Yeah. It's crazy actually how metaphorical. Like I didn't set out like to have a tree with lungs, like literal lungs, but it just came from the universe. Like it's crazy how these things work. Chat. Damn, when we have cars in this game, it's gonna be so hype, chat, so gas. It's gonna be so gas. Yeah, I can see it now. Chat. Yeah, I just had a vision, like of a car, like of a rusty like Volkswagen. Whatchamacallit? Not the Beetle, like the Transporter, the hippie van. And you can add like huge tires on it, like make it a monster truck hippie van. Damn, can you imagine the trailer? Can you imagine the marketing for this game? Oh my god, like visually, this game is insane. It's insane. Like marketing will be so easy. Oh my god. Okay. Good. Actually, let's meditate. For 5 minutes. I have to take a leak, but let's meditate. Let's meditate on the urine pressure in my bladder. Let's focus our attention to that. Okay, chat. Okay, get into position. Okay. Let's meditate. Okay, let's not set a timer. Let's just sit spine lined. Let's keep the music because the outside world, the outside environment is always noisy. It's much easier, the saying goes, it's much easier to put on sandals than cover the earth with leather. Can you understand the saying, chat? It means the mind, we control the mind, but not the outside world. So let's control our mind. Okay. Breathe with me. Deep inhale through the nose. And when you feel that you can't inhale more, you inhale a bit more. And then you exhale. With pursed lips. Okay, so that's one breath. Let's feel our parasympathetic nervous system activating and our sympathetic nervous system deactivating. Okay, one more breath. Deep breath through the diaphragm into the stomach. Let's go. That's good. Just 2 breaths. And already so chill. So chill. Okay. So we are calm, cool, and collected. And I have to go to the bathroom. So be right back. Be right back, chat. Be right back. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. One more breath. One more breath. Okay. Oh. So on interacting, yeah, the player controller, yeah. Let's copy the play montage. Okay, so this creates, like, I should probably make a function. The function is try create widget. Try create widget. And on the trade, just play the montage. And from the montage, yeah, notify begin. We could actually, yeah. We only have one notify, so let's try create widget at the notify begin. We don't need the name because it's only one. Okay, so yeah, the plunger is right now. Yeah, it's attaching at the start. We have the player character reference, yeah, so just get the player character. So at the start, we just cache the player. Don't attach the spike. We attach the spike on interact trade. Yeah. Yeah, so we attach the spike, play the montage, and on the notify, when he plugs in the thing into his neck, we try to create the widget. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, the spike is not in his hand. We go up to the blood register, press trade. Okay. It works, but on notify begin doesn't fire. Or maybe it does, but yeah, let's actually debug. Plugged. Let's just say it's plugged. Okay, do we... No, it doesn't fire. Okay, so let's check the notify, I guess. Plunger stick, yeah, begin notify, yeah, slot. We could actually just, yeah. Plunge notify, yeah, we have the humanoid reference. Sure, let's get the reference. But I don't need the player reference, I need the blood register reference. Yeah. Event called when using a play montage notify, or notify event montage. Play montage notify. Maybe I need the general, like add notify, play montage notify. Yeah, so how are these different? Yeah, anim notify, and this is a trigger. Like, sure. Plug. Yeah, let's see if that works. Yeah, plugged. Okay, yeah, that works. Yeah, so it's a different type of animation notify. That's why it's like that. Yeah. Okay, so right now it should work. Whoop. Okay, plug. Yep, it works. We buy, we drain the blood. Okay, so now on tab we need to reverse everything. On tab we reverse, so we actually don't reverse a lot. We have the trade widget reference. And the panel object has a reference to the blood register. Let's just register. No, parent, I think. Yeah, I got parent. Yeah, we have the reference. So if we have the parent, yeah. Try create widgets. Let's make a new function. Unplug. And the unplugging will set the, yeah, let's actually set the spike location, like, yeah, let's make it even numbers, like, yeah. What if we, like, actually plug it like that? 23 minus 40. Let's just say. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so after this, I'll probably texture everything, and yeah. And then we'll take it from there. Okay, spike. What the fuck? Okay, unplug, yeah. Set relative location. Detach from component, yeah. Okay, so it's minus 40. And the controller, yeah, untab, unplug. Yeah, okay, so the plug should move back. Yeah. Yeah, the plug, ooh, that's not good. What if we keep the world location? Okay, so we actually need, we don't need to detach, we need to attach. Yeah, let's try attaching. To component, yeah. And the parent is the base, yeah. Okay, let's check. Yeah, works fine. So yeah, in the animation blueprint is plunging, yeah. We just set is plunging to false and it should work. Is plunging. Okay, so to get the reference to the animation instance, like, yeah, that's not really that great. Actually, let's make the variable be in the humanoid. Yeah, in the humanoid, yeah. B is plunging. Yeah, set is plunging. Well, actually, yeah, we don't need actually the this thing actually goes, yeah. This goes into update animation, yeah. Yeah, and we get is plunging. It's not ideal, like updating this every frame, but it's not a big deal. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay. Yeah, doesn't work. Doesn't work. Horrible, horrible, terrible. Is plunging, yeah. Okay, no, actually it does work, yeah. We're not just, yeah. On the tab, on the unplug, yeah. Plunging, set is plunging to false when we unplug. And moment of truth, yeah. Works. Like, I don't mind that it like snaps like that. Yeah, okay, so we can still move. Yeah, that's actually kind of cool that you can like trade. Yeah, the animation plays, and then it like, yeah, after some time, like, only. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I like it. I dig it. Yeah. Good. Yeah, pretty much done with the trader. Like, the functionality is good. The functionality works. You can buy stuff. Yeah. You can't sell stuff yet, but yeah, the UI looks pretty bad. Yeah, but it works. Anyways, let's get to texturing this thingy. Let's jump into Blender. Yeah, finally Blender, finally texturing. Damn, I love like texturing. I love texturing. Okay, so trader stall. Hide the stall. Yeah, it's tiny window. Why the heck? Okay, let's make it a bit bigger so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, let's not mirror this thingy. That's fine if that's mirrored. Actually, why is it? Oh, okay, yeah, I see. Seam, marquee seam here. Sure, let's mark a seam here. Yeah, this doesn't need to be assumed. Yeah, that should unwrap pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good is actually great. Pretty good is great. Yeah, probably add seams on the sides because, yeah. Because, yeah. And this thing just goes on like, yeah, the flat sides. Yeah, sure, mark seam here. Mark seams here. Let's minimum stretch, unwrap everything. Let's actually apply our transforms. Failed to solve. Edge seams may need to be added. What? Oh, what? Excuse me? Excuse me? Oh, okay, so yeah, this thingy. The spike. It's probably talking about the spike. Yeah, mark seam. Let's just add thingies to the sides. Mark seam and the minimum stretch. Yes, it's great. It's great. This is great. Life is good. What is this giant thing right here? Yeah, it's from this part of the mesh. Let's just select by UVs. Yeah, okay, so it's like, yeah, probably has, yep, it has the bottom face, that's why it's like that. Let's move it up a bit and delete the face. And actually, yeah, let's just mark seam here. Unwrap minimum, and yeah, that's great. That's great. 62% unwrappage is pretty decent. Let's move the spike down a bit, just so it's like not clipping into the mesh. Yeah, actually, yeah. Let's first export the... Yeah, so this will be the register. Let's actually make blood register. Blood register bake. Blood register bake, and the spike. Yeah, let's export the spike because it's unwrapped right now. Yeah, the spike. Where's the spike? Yeah, in the wrong folder. Spike. Export the spike and export the register itself. Let's open up Substance Painter. The window will also be tiny in Substance Painter because, like, when I was on my TV, like, chilling on the beanbag, I had to resize everything. Actually, it's kind of a good size for the Substance Painter. Okay, maybe I didn't resize this thingy. Blood register bake. Okay. Big mesh. Yeah, first let's Actually, I will actually definitely need the high poly, and actually again even more actually. Yeah, let's make new collection. Make collection. New collection. Create new collection. Let's name this bake. Why don't we? It's not creating the new collection. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bake. It created what? Okay, so yeah. Whatever. Name already. Oh, okay. Let's import the bake, because I moved the spike and I want it to be like on the same exact same location. Yeah, so for the high poly, cut through. Yeah, maybe insert again, like just add some shape to thing. Yeah, like, yeah, sure, make it more high poly, whatever. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, let's do subdivision surface. Why don't we? Because this is like, yeah, has like clear edges like all over. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Yep, like that. Maybe like that. Maybe like that. Yeah, okay, let's actually make a mirror. Add a few edge cuts just to move the mesh closer. And yeah, maybe like scale this down. Yeah, and enable clipping, because like this part. Yeah, that's good. That was good. Okay, so yeah, let's actually select. Yep. Do like that. Do like this and like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing and a bada boom. It's a bada bing, bada boom. Move this like that. And yeah, actually scale down. Yeah, I mean, sure, looks fine. Yeah, I think like for a high poly that's pretty decent. Okay, so this part, yeah, like yep, like that. Inset a bit. Whoop. Control Z to the rescue. Okay, so why is it doing it? Yeah, I think like, yeah, these vertices are too close. Maybe that's why. Yeah, just move it like that, maybe. Yep. And add a cut here, make it more sharp. Ooh, damn. That's not good. That's not good, chat. That's better. That's better. That's definitely better. Okay, yeah, sure. We will take what we can get. And yeah. Just move these down a bit. And yeah. Let's export as a high poly. Blood register high. Okay, yep. Yep. Lightweight. Ain't nothing but a peanut. Ain't nothing but a peanut. Damn, I'll go to the gym today. It's gonna be so hype. So freaking hype. So hype. So hype. Going to the gym is freaking hype. It's freaking hype. Oh my god. I have a perfume sample of Encre Noir. It's a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. Beautiful vetiver. Haitian vetiver. Beautiful Haitian vetiver fragrance. Haitian vetiver. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Metal. Actually, let's add some materials. Yeah, so the metal will be red. The base, yeah, the base needs to be separated from the glass. Let's select normals. Yeah. Yeah, so this needs two materials. Let's make a red material. And let's make a glass material that's blue. Yeah. Yeah, sure, let's make this part glass. Let's assign, let's preview the material. And maybe even add a small edge, like, yeah. Yeah, like that, maybe. This, like that. Sure, yeah, like that. Sure. Why not? Why not? Okay, so this is metal, and this will be the... Let's just name it... Let's not name it anything, let's just change the color to green, yeah. And the spike is metal, yeah. Also metal, yeah. Export, and we bake. We bake the mesh. Ideas, material, color, yes. Yes. Okay, so the metal... Material color, yes, that's metal. It's metal, alright. Metallic. Ooh, that's actually nasty, like, damn. Has some nasty artifacts, but I don't care. I don't really care about that. Let's see, pick a color. Yeah, so this will be the glass. And the glass is, I guess, yeah, let's not make it metallic. Let's make it like bluish, like light blue. Color selection, yeah, tolerance max. This tolerance max also. The base, yeah, the base. I mean, the base could be metal, but maybe make it plastic or something. Yeah, like kind of a darkish color. Probably needs a monitor or screen, like, or something. Okay, so the glass needs a black mask generator, and the generator is a position generator. Let's invert. Yeah, let's... yeah. Yeah, that doesn't look that great, like, damn. That doesn't look like glass. That doesn't look like glass. That's the problem. Yeah, the roughness, yeah, like, if I increase the roughness by a lot. Yeah, maybe that's closer, a bit closer. And a bit more contrast, yeah, like that. Yeah, sure. Sure. Let's actually... Okay, first, let's export. Let's see how it looks in game. And yeah, so this will be the register. Grade A material. And yeah. Normal. Linear color. And sRGB. RGB. And we apply. Damn, looks horrible, actually. Looks disgusting. But it's a start. Property matrix. Let's make nearest filtering, just so it's crunchy. It looks big actually. What if it's like 0.8? Yeah, that's a bit more reasonable, I guess. Yeah, what if we make the glass metallic? Yeah. Ooh. Is it too metallic? Whatever, export. Yeah. Yeah, so the brown isn't working. Yeah, let's make the register metal actually. Metallic, brown, metallic. Damn, that looks kind of sick. But it's too dark. Looks sick, but dark. Just keep it non-destructive. Like, yeah, let's test. Yeah, let's actually save. 0.20 420 blood register. Okay. Yeah, looks fine, but yeah, let's try something actually, chat. Yeah. 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 Yeah, that's good. That is good. Only the RAM. Yeah, normals. High quality normals don't really change that much, but whatever. Okay, so this will add a bit more detail. Yeah. Yeah. A bit of interest was added, but you know what we need, chat? What we actually need is, yeah, for the base, yeah, so the base is selected. Let's add a position. Let's invert. Yeah, just some fake ambient occlusion for the bottom to make the bottom darker, I guess. See how that looks. Yeah, just so it looks more grounded, like, yeah, that's... Yeah, whatever. I'm really hungry, chat. I'm really hungry. I'ma keep it 100. Keep it 100. Keep it 100. I'm gonna go eat, walk my angel doggy, and maybe I'll stream again, but probably not. Probably not. Like, yeah, I should focus on releasing the game ASAP. Actually, what if, like, the register is just using the bloody mask? Like, let's check. Where's the bloody Iron Maiden? Yeah, this the thingy. Actually, looks perfect. Looks great, actually. Yeah. Looks great. Looks great. Actually, yeah. Mask, and let's just... Yep. Yep. That's probably all I need to do. Let's check. Yeah. 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 I mean, it's damn. This one material, like, textures pretty much everything perfectly. Actually, yeah. I was gonna add, like, rivets through Substance Painter, but yeah. Okay, so the top is like darker, like there's a weird mask thingy going on. Yeah, probably. Yeah, that's the weird thingy. Okay, so now the top isn't as dark. It's still dark. It's still dark. Maybe due to the thing being metallic. Yeah, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so I was gonna add rivets, but like you can see if like the high poly model is using the material, like procedural material, like it's the blood curves around the geometry. So I'll probably add like real geometry in the high poly model of the rivets, and it will actually, yeah, let's actually do that now. Just to visualize. Yeah, okay, so for the rivets it's really simple. Just make a plane, plane, and solidify, and only rim. Yep, like that. And then we add a subdivision surface. Yeah, we can make it higher poly. Make it a bit smaller. And yeah, the thickness, reduce the thickness, and now we snap faces, project nearest. Yeah, face nearest, probably. No, face project I think is better. Yeah, now we can add rivets. Let's add rivets to, like, damn. Will that look cool? Will this look cool when it's mirrored? Yeah, okay, let's actually apply all transforms and merge these and mirror. I know, like, that's too much. I feel like they need to be like, yeah, individual origins, maybe smaller. Yeah, like, yeah, like that, and a little less thickness. Yeah, maybe that's a cool pattern. Yeah, sure. Let's select everything except for the base rivet. Let's check how that bakes. Well, looks good actually. Yeah, you can see like the geometry, like, yeah, it's masking the blood. Yeah, looks good actually. Looks fine, like adds some interest. Like, I think I need a monitor or something, like for the like cash registers, like have a customer facing interface, like to show how much cash you owe when you purchase shit. Like, actually from the front definitely needs a monitor, needs a keyboard, but whatever. Plug, pay with your blood, buy. Yes, works amazing. Okay, so the trader is done, and the trader, damn, we have even shit in our inventory. Okay, so actually, functionally, the game is done. Functionally, it's a complete game. Ooh, headbutt. Fuck. Why did you ruin my microphone, chat? Like, what the fuck? It's so rude. Okay, so power. Fuck. Okay, so it's good. I love it. I love so much love. Love life, love everything. Oh my god. Damn. Such a weight off my shoulders. Like, the game is done. Oh my god. It's like, you know the clip from Pumping Iron when Arnold Schwarzenegger is like, when the interviewer is like, why do you lift weights? And he's like, it's like coming. When I pump the muscle, it's coming. I come every day. I come all the time. Oh, it's bad Schwarzenegger impersonation. How does he speak? Coming. Whatever. Austrian fuck. Austrian fucker. Yeah, so basically, what I'm trying to say is that I'm coming. I am ejaculating as we speak. I have ejaculated. Like, this game is my cum. This is my ejaculate. Yeah, so enjoy chat. Enjoy. Yeah, enjoy the demo, enjoy the game. So yeah, basically. Yeah. It's good. Okay, so I'm in my developer brain right now. Let's switch to a gamer mode. Let's breathe in. Okay, so right now I am a gamer experiencing this game for the first time. Let's just try to experience it. Okay, so Yeah, I like the aesthetics. Yeah, it actually looks really professional. Yeah, this game looks like a lot of effort was actually. It looks deliberate. You know, the word I'm looking for is like deliberate, and yeah. When I'm in my game dev mode, in my game dev brain, I'm like, damn, I'm actually trying to make it coherent, but I don't know, like when I try to talk about the game, it's like random words coming out of my mouth, and I'm like explaining it poorly, and like the main thing for anything in life is coherence, you know, alignment, like truth. Let's say, yeah, the main thing for everything is that it's honest, it's truthful, and it's real actually. Yeah, so the intention, like real things don't have intention. Like there's no intent. Like I'm not intending to make anything of this game, but like it just flows. Yeah, so when things just flow, they are authentic in and of themselves. Yeah, so this actually looks coherent, authentic. It looks weird. It looks actually super weird. Like, I don't know, like that's just my ego, like maybe protecting itself. Like, yeah, so people don't want to be weird because we are social creatures and we need like protection from the dangerous bears and like tigers and shit. Like, but who gives a fuck? Who gives a fuck? I'll wrestle a bear. I'll fucking choke out a tiger if I need to, so I can be weird. Okay, so damn, it looks good. It looks great. Oh my god, like fuck, it's so crisp. Yeah, okay, so from the gamer brain, for the gamer brain, let's gamer brain ourselves. Okay, so it looks crisp, it looks sharp, it looks intentional, it looks, dare I say, crunchy. It looks crunchy. I like. It's like if you bite into the game, it will be like between your teeth, you know. It's a crunchy game. Damn. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, it's so weird. Like, what the fuck is this shit? Like, damn. So visually, the game is stunning. Conceptually, it's creative. It's like, yeah. So from a marketing perspective, it's perfect. The main challenges moving forward will be if it's a good RPG. I'll need to, when I walk my dog, I'll need to think about what makes a good RPG. The elements of an RPG, yeah. So let's actually analyze the name role-playing game. So role-playing RPG, role-playing. Yeah, so if you are role-playing, you need to immerse yourself fully. Like, yeah, so the immersion, like, yeah. So the player needs to feel like they're in a real world, yeah. So that would make a good RPG. Immersion, yeah. Let's go into the dungeon, the cozy dungeon. Oh yeah, haven't been here for a while. Yeah. So this is where it all starts. Yeah, this area also needs like some like the center, like occult shit and stuff. Yeah. Oh, the skeleton is on the ground. That's sad. Yeah, candles. Amazing. Looks beautiful. Okay, so yeah, developer brain. Let's turn on our gamer brain. Okay, I'm a gamer I don't know what I'll see. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Okay, so first thing, like as a gamer, I see like this seam, like this nasty seam. Like yeah, the floor needs to be fixed. Like yeah, like doesn't look finished right now. Looks like it's in development. As a gamer, this area looks creepy. It looks creepy, like should be creepy. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I like that everything is interactable. Most of these things are interactable, but I wonder if like it's gonna be obvious that these things are interactable. I need to have like a big interactable object, like yeah, at the center that draws attention. Like yeah, probably need the occult like pedestal and a book, and then the player will like go up to the book. He will hover his cursor over the book, and yeah, he will see that things are actually interactable. Then he will probably try to interact with a lot more stuff. Okay, so the game is looking good. It's looking good. Okay, I'm hungry. Bye bye.